Capitalcom Pricing explained what you get for your money. Capitalcom is a trading platform offering access to stocks, forex, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Many assume trading platforms have hidden fees, but Capitalcom is upfront about costs. The app is free to download, and there are no account maintenance fees. Capitalcom operates on a spread-based pricing model, meaning you pay a small difference between buy and sell prices instead of commissions. Some advanced products, like leverage trading, may involve overnight fees, which are fully disclosed before trading. Deposits are free, but standard withdrawal fees may apply depending on your bank. Most people get this wrong by thinking trading apps are all commission-based. The surprising truth is that spread-based pricing can be simpler and more predictable for casual traders. For example, buying a zero stock may have a spread cost of just a few dollars with no other hidden fees. In conclusion, Capitalcom combines transparent pricing with broad market access, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced traders who want flexibility without surprises.